Sha, but what I have, let me just give. The God giving is not in him, my dear.
What a handsome boy. We need to help people tactically. So let me give you help. What I have, I will give. And of course, I need to go on here so that people will know I am happy. My friends out there, you can see I'm in the street and I'm trying to help a brother. He's blind.
Hey, Scoop Petenya.
Yeah! I thought you are blind.
Don't worry, I'm not blind. You are the one that is blind.
I'm trying to help you.
Don't worry, I'll video you. We'll video ourselves. Hello everyone, as you can see, I'm giving him money and I'm still giving him money. He's one that is blind and I'm trying to help him. Nonsense. Action. Thank you for watching that Asosi comedy video. Visit our YouTube channel so that you don't miss our next upload. We upload new videos every Monday unfailingly. Thank you for always supporting us. Thank you for following us. We love you.